was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until the show is Muli Masawa Island. Magellan landed in Limassol. The people met him very welcome on the shore. The people hindered Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand this speaking they have done, because Castilla ginat waray-waray man. When Magellan in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come up plans. Mactan Island we could not grabs, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. When the battle began uptown, Polos is there versus gun and cannon. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried a cry. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. That's the end of Magellan and the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen. Yo,